Healing from trauma is not a straight path. It's messy, unpredictable, and deeply personal. I know this, not just from study, but from lived experience. Trauma leaves marks we can't always see. It changes how we feel in our bodies, how we breathe, and how safe we feel in the world. And this is where yoga, when practiced with trauma in mind, can become something different. It's not about performance or perfection, but a way to gently reclaim safety within yourself. Let's talk about what makes yoga trauma-informed. This isn't your typical yoga class. It's designed with care, respect, and an understanding of what trauma survivors actually need. It honors your pace, your boundaries, and your experience. If traditional yoga has ever felt overwhelming, unsafe, or simply not for you, this may be the gentle invitation your nervous system has been waiting for. So, what's the difference? Trauma-informed yoga is all about choice and control. It's not about pushing into poses or focusing on flexibility. It's about listening to your body and believing what it tells you. In these spaces, you're offered choices, not commands. The environment is calm and predictable. Touch is avoided or only used with clear, explicit consent, and the language is invitational. If you'd like, or you might try. This matters because trauma dysregulates the nervous system, keeping us stuck in survival mode. Gentle movement and breath help signal safety again, slowly and respectfully, at your pace. You can try some of these practices right now. You don't need a studio or any experience. First, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes only if it feels safe. Simply notice your breath, the rise and fall. You don't need to change it. This anchors you in the present. Next, try a grounding pose like child's pose or just sitting with your feet on the floor. Focus on where your body meets the ground. Feel the support beneath you. You are held. You can also try gentle movements, like slowly lifting your arms as you inhale and lowering them as you exhale. The goal isn't to force a release, but to find release through safety. Lastly, use props like blankets and cushions. Support creates safety. Comfort isn't weakness. It's wisdom. Trauma can make us feel disconnected from our bodies. Trauma-informed yoga offers a way back, not by erasing the past, but by changing our relationship with it. Research shows this approach can reduce anxiety, improve emotional regulation, and restore a sense of agency. When I first tried it, I was skeptical, but for the first time, my body felt respected, and that changed everything. Healing is not a race. Trauma-informed yoga is just one powerful tool. It invites you to slow down, to breathe, and to return to yourself with kindness. If you're ready to explore this path, know this: you are not broken. Every breath you take is a step toward healing. Thank you for listening. Be gentle with yourself.